Ashok Leyland announces price increase up to 3% effective from January 2025. Ashok Leyland Limited has received an order of 345.58 crore rupees for supplying 1475 BSVI diesel fuel type passenger bus chassis to Tamil Nadu State Transport Corporation. Vijay Projects Limited has been awarded a supply of goods and services contract by M.S. Solapur Transmission Limited. Board of Directors of CRISIL Limited has approved an investment in the equity capital of Online PSB Loans Limited of an amount of 33.25 crore rupees to acquire 4.08% stake in it. China economy forecast to maintain growth as stimulus kicks in. China vows bigger fiscal spending to boost consumption next year. Endurance Overseas SRL, a subsidiary of Endurance Technologies Limited, has signed a share purchase agreement to acquire 60% stake in Stoffel Automotive GmbH, Germany and Stoffel GmbH, Germany. GR Infra Projects Limited has received letter of intent from PFC Consulting Limited for transmission scheme for integration of Bijapur RES project in Karnataka with a cost of 107.7 crore rupees. HAL has signed a contract with Ministry of Defence for procurement of 12 Su-30 MKI aircraft along with associated equipment at an approximate cost of 13,500 crore rupees. Indus Towers Limited has entered into a power purchase agreement with JSW Green Energy 8 Limited, a special purpose vehicle, SPV, for the procurement of renewable energy from solar PV plant. JK Tyre and Industries Limited has taken loan of 30 million euros from DEG for expansion of production capacities in the state of Madhya Pradesh, India. TCS inks a 5-year contract with Telenor Denmark to provide comprehensive IT infrastructure services, bolstering its European operations. Wellspoon Tubular LLC, a step-down subsidiary of Wellspoon Corp Limited, conducted the groundbreaking ceremony for the expansion of its HFIW pipe manufacturing facility in Little Rock, Arkansas, USA.